Okay, hey, and hello, April 1st, happy Fool's Day. And this was our first lesson in American or Smooth Waltz. So what was mostly done today was a bit on technique, mostly about being in close position, where man's hand is on her shoulder blade, hers is on where she can guess the deltoid is. And that's where your connection is. You can move and do anything with this hand only. This hand that comes up here at the follows eye level, mostly decoration, but it's here just to be pretty. And the steps we did were the box, which is the basic of waltz, and you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I can turn around so you can see. I don't know which angle is better for you. Okay. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's the basic, and you can also turn the box. Turn it to the left. It's a quarter turn each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The other one we touched on is called the progressive, which is where the lead is always going forward or back, no matter which foot he's going. He's stepping on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And I'm losing my breath. I apologize. 4, 5, 6. Those are the steps we did. We also discussed line of dance, where you're traveling counterclockwise around the room. Any other tips for the first week?
Every time you take a step, put weight on it, and that will keep you from misstepping. Heel leads going forward, don't go searching out with your toe. And
and to get the correct posture for this dance, we learned a very good tip. You take your shoulders, go to the ear, take them back, drop them down. It gets you in this nice frame. Stay strong. And that was about all that we covered this week.
Thank you very, very much.